I'm always banging on about the importance of prep with any job, but if I'm completely honest, it's the bane of my life. I just want to get on with the fun stuff. So when Polyvine told me that their varnish and paint remover does the job easily, it was going to take some convincing. But look at what happened. So I must admit, I was more confident than usual because it's Polyvine and I love their varnishes, which you'll find is the case for most professional decorators. For one thing, I'm used to having to protect myself up to the hilt when it comes to stripping, but not needing any PE or ventilation already makes the job easier. Whether you're a professional tradesperson on a job or you're using this at home, it's a relief that it's child and pet safe. This is because it has ultra-low VOCs, low solvents and is non-toxic. Sounds great, but does it work? I thought I'd try it on a few different items to see how it works across a variety of finishes and surfaces. So I brushed it on liberally. With this external door, I chose to leave it for around 40 minutes and you can start to see how the product is penetrating the paint. The same goes for this wooden window frame. And on varnish, look at this. This is where the fun really starts though, as I get to scrape it all off. Oh, wow! That's so easy. There are a few things I want to say. Firstly, for obvious reasons, I love the fact that this is the most eco-friendly varnish and paint stripper on the market, but also it just makes the job so much easier, full stop. Secondly, I've managed to get through multiple layers of paint, which saves valuable time. You may need to repeat the process with some items, but it still takes the elbow grease out of the job. A couple of tips are that once it's dried, you want to wipe away with a damp cloth and any stubborn bits can be removed with light sanding. Also, this remover doesn't contaminate the surface, which means you don't have to neutralise the substrate before you recoat with another product. I'm now thinking about the big projects I've perhaps shied away from in the past because of the amount of stripping involved. Now, this product is going to encourage me to do those because I have the confidence it will work effectively whilst being safe. Happy days. I might do a bit more stripping, it's ever so satisfying.